For example, we are going to crush some concrete test samples. I have been waiting that for a long time. And yeah, I'm really pleased on the videos that we made. We got so great ideas. Thanks for everybody who suggested some ideas. A lot of ideas came from you guys. And I also have to say that hiring Hanna to be part of team was great decision. We have had really fun doing the videos. And Anni said that she has been also really pleased to see that we have great times continuing the channel with Hanna. And next year is going to be probably even better. We are going to finally get the bigger press. We are actually leaving 8th of January to visit the factory where it's made. All the parts are already done and now they're putting it together. And on our visit, we are going to test it out. And when we come back to Finland, the press is going to soon arrive. And yeah, it's going to be made by a company called Profipress, and they are a really nice company. It's a family company. We spent a couple days with them in Holland, and we had a great time, and the guys are great, and they are really excited about hydraulic presses, just like we are. So I see great future coming with this collaboration. So subscribe the channel to see the big press really soon, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.